Hello and welcome to Wolfe Cadillac Edmonton. Today we have a real gem with this beautifully maintained one owner 2014 Cadillac SRX Premium, just over 99,000 kilometers. Under the hood is a 3.6 liter V6 paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission. It includes navigation, heated and ventilated front seats, heated rear seats, backup camera, and so much more. Let's check it out. Alright, onto the front interior, we have a nice wood grain accent and black leather, power window and mirror controls as well as safety locks, power unlock and lock in our chrome door handle, power liftgate button with adjustable max and 3/4 lift, storage in 2 compartments as well as cup holder, main front speaker and chrome Cadillac badging as we enter the front. You have 2 memory seating presets as well as power adjustable front seat and lumbar support. Beautiful leather seats in great condition. This vehicle is beautifully maintained, as mentioned, only one owner. Off to the left we have our lighting options and front vent. We can go ahead and start the vehicle now, just off to the right. Leather wrapped heated steering wheel. We have our cluster control on the right. We have forward collision alert, heated steering wheel, Bluetooth and hands-free options here, as well as cruise. As you can see, 99,000 kilometers, fresh oil change, beautiful digital gauge cluster. Infotainment screen comes equipped with navigation, climate control within. We have our backup camera, as well as Bluetooth audio and Sirius XM. We have our manual climate control beneath with heated and ventilated front seats, CD, and a hidden compartment when we swipe the chrome, with a hidden USB and some storage for some valuables. Wood grain shifter, more storage underneath. We have eco mode, parking assist, lane departure warning, park brake, cup holders, center console which opens in 2 compartments. We have a beautiful large 2-pane sunroof. Sunroof controls are on the roof. We also have our dome lights and 3 garage door presets. Here's the other side of this beautiful SRX. And we also have Bose premium audio. Alright, on the exterior we have these beautiful chrome wheels with Cadillac center caps, another chrome accent and color matched mirror caps. Mirror itself. We have keyless entry on both front and rear chrome door handles, as well as a rear privacy tint. Rims are in beautiful shape as well, just like everything else on this SRX. Along to the back now, we have our chrome 3.6 liter badging, more chrome and SRX 4-wheel drive right there. Power liftgate as mentioned, we can use the key or we can just press the liftgate button, as well as we can press the button inside as I showed earlier. Good amount of storage. Our 60/40 rear seats fold down for even more storage, and we also have a nice slide cover. And then underneath, if I can figure out how to open this. Oh, let's push it down on the Cadillac badge, and you have more storage for accessories and tools, and very spacious with lights in there as well. Beautiful. All right, now for our rear interior, same thing as the front, nice wood grain and black leather, storage in 2 compartments, Bose audio rear main speaker, 60/40 split as mentioned, rear black leather seats. We have a pull down armrest cup holders and storage in the middle. We also have a pass-through for our tailgate. As mentioned, they fold down with these levers right here for extra storage if necessary, which is always a great option for an SUV. Magazine holders on the back of the front seats. We have our own rear climate control with heated seats and our own 3-zone climate. A couple 12-volt inputs and a little bit more storage underneath. Look at the sunroof from the rear and the front. Super comfortable, spacious, and luxurious. What more can you ask for? This is a very fresh arrival here at Wolfe Cadillac Edmonton. I'm sure it won't last long. As I mentioned, only one owner and just over 99,000 kilometers. Priced under $17,000 as well. Come by and take it for a test drive while it lasts. Hope to see you soon.